This is a funny question that we always seem to get asked early on in the piece, and it's who deals with council or who deals with approvals? Now, there's two sides to this. You've got council and you've got approvals. Now, town planning or DA or development application, that's generally where council gets involved. Or you've also got a BA, which is a building certification or a building approval. And that's another side to the element of how we go about a building approval. So when it comes to the actual question of who deals with council, it's not necessarily who deals with council, it's who deals with those third parties that deal with council. So the short answer is we will facilitate that for you as the design company. However, we will facilitate that with our third parties. And those third parties are your certifier, who deals with council from a BA level, and your town planner, who deals with council from a DA level, so a development application level. Now that may sound daunting, but at JMH Design, we have our processes. We know when each element needs to be touched or when each element needs to be engaged. So we'll help you through each stage and each process. We'll engage those clients for you when the time comes.